Hello everyone, this is a Tai Chi and Qigong warm-up exercise. We can practice before and after your Tai Chi and Qigong training, or it's a lovely way to starting and finish the day. Let's begin. Standing feet together. Knees soften, hands close to your legs. Hips sink. Step open to left. Hip width apart. Breathing exercise. Inhale, arms float to chest level. Exhale, shoulder, elbows sink. Breathing out to lower abdomen. Inhale to chest. Middle dantian. Exhale, shoulder, elbow pull, hand push down. Breath out to lower dantian. Inhale. Exhale. Change. Inhale to chest. Exhale, open chest, long arm open to side. Inhale back. Exhale, sink. No rush. Inhalation. Exhalation. Inhale back. Exhale, sink. One more. Change, palms facing up. Rise your arms from side, gathering vital energy. Guide, pulling, 导引 from top of your head, 100 meeting point. Lower abdomen, salt for your feet. 涌泉 point. Inhale. Exhale. Guide down, pulling guide down. To center body, salt for your feet. Yin to yang, yang to yin. Interlock your fingers. Tap left toe down. Rotate your wrist and ankle same direction. Change direction. Switch your legs. Right toe down. Fingers open one by one. Change direction. Draw the right foot down. Press the hands up. And stretch to side. Hello, dog. Coming back. Lengthen. Then exhale, stretch to your right side. Opening your left rib cage. Coming back. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch towards the right. Inhale back. Exhale, stretch to right. Coming back. Take your hands behind for your neck. Open your chest and chin. Inhale, deep stretch up. Exhale, back neck relaxed. Chin into chest. Long inhale, open chest long. Exhale. Chin into chest, back neck relaxed. Inhale up. Exhale down. Coming back to center. Hip sink, knees no twist. Twist from waist. Open your chest long. Back to center. Twist towards the right. Open your chest. Elbows. Back to center. Fingers, rest, top shoulder blades, hip sink, rotate your shoulder blades from front to back. Change back to front. Slide your hands. Right hand to hip down. Left arm stretch up. Inhale, side bend. Exhale, relax. Switch your hands. Right arm up. Relax down. And stretch up. And both hands on hips. Rotate your hip in a horizontal way. Only your hips. So your head in the middle. Change direction. Wave your spine. Sink the hips. Arms stretch up. Long inhale, stretch, open chest. Right toe turn out, left heel fall. Keep your legs straight, hands reaching down to shin or to your toes. Chin chest towards your shin. Do the best you can. Inhale, hold the hands up. Exhale, arms stretch out. Left foot in, right toe in. Sinking down, wave each vertebra one by one up. Long stretch, left toe turn out, right heel fall. Hands reaching down to shin or to toe. No on the knee, shin or toe. Good. Hold hands up. Lift up, separate, open, and right foot in, left toe in. One more time on each side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Right toe in. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale. Right foot fall. Inhale, hold up. Exhale, open to side. Sink the hips, hands from the chest. Twist to left side twice. Right side twice. Arms open. One hand tap your shoulder underneath your collarbone. One hand tap your back between your kidney, knocking the gate of vitality. And your arms pass it following your waist twist. And coming back to center. Right arm palms full. Left hand like a cup. Massage from top shoulder. Inner arm, yin. Top arm, yang. Stroke, smooth, and shaking down. Help the circulation and change side. Inner arm and top arm. Stroke, smooth, and shaking down. Warm up your palms. Hands cover the kidney, massaging your back up and down. And make soft fists, knocking, massage from on the hips. Hip joint, Huang acupuncture point. On the legs, gallbladder meridian for detoxing. Inner legs. Groin, back legs, front legs. Relax. Kicking your legs, shaking your arms. Deep breath in, convent, gathering energy, returning to original, lower dantian, lower abdomen. And step your left foot in. Overlapping the hands underneath your belly button, lower dantian for a moment. Thank you for practicing with me. I wish you health and happiness. And hope to see you soon again in next video.